Hello cheese lovers and inventors. Welcome to another delicious escapade in the world of Wallace and Gromit, where culinary curiosity meets a dash of British charm. Wallace here, with my trusty pal Gromit, always ready for a new kitchen experiment. We've just returned from a grand adventure and let me tell you, all that excitement has left us absolutely famished. Our stomachs are rumbling louder than one of my contraptions on the fritz. So, what better way to satisfy our hunger than by embarking on a culinary project together? Today, we're setting out to recreate the legendary Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, a true masterpiece of simplicity and taste. It's a sandwich that's become famous far and wide, and we're determined to unlock its secrets right here in our own kitchen. What makes this sandwich so special, you ask? It's all about the details. A tender, juicy chicken fillet with a perfectly crispy coating, 2 tangy pickle slices for that signature zing, and a soft, buttery bun that melts in your mouth. Each bite is a delightful combination of textures and flavors, simple, yet utterly satisfying. It's comfort food at its finest, the kind that makes you say, "By gum, that's a good sandwich." There's just something magical about that first bite, isn't there? Of course, Gromit's pointed out that the nearest shop is miles away, much too far for a quick snack. But don't worry, that won't stop us from enjoying our favorite treat. Instead, we're bringing the magic home, inventing our own version right in our kitchen. With a bit of ingenuity and a sprinkle of fun, we'll show you how to make this iconic sandwich from scratch. So, aprons on and rolling pins ready, join us for a smashing, flavorful adventure. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, you'll find plenty of tips and laughs along the way. We'll guide you step by step, adding a bit of quirky flair and inventive spirit to every stage. By the end, you'll have a sandwich worthy of any cheese-loving inventor. Let's get cracking, shall we? The adventure begins now. Grab your ingredients and join us for a truly cracking good time. First things first, ingredients. Before we can get cooking, we need to gather every last bit and bob for our masterpiece. This is the moment where the magic truly begins, right here on the kitchen counter. Gromit's got everything laid out, neat as a pin. He's a stickler for order, and it makes the whole process feel like a breeze. Every ingredient has its place, and nothing is left to chance. For the chicken, we're using boneless, skinless breasts, perfect for juicy sandwiches. Add a cup of milk to help tenderize the meat and keep it moist. And don't forget a 1/4 cup of pickle juice, our secret tenderizing weapon. It's a little twist that brings a tangy zing and makes the chicken extra succulent. For the crispy coating, you'll need a generous scoop of all-purpose flour. This is the base for that golden crunch we all crave. A spoonful of powdered sugar goes in next, adding a subtle sweetness that balances the savory flavors. Sprinkle in paprika for warmth and color, and a good shake of black pepper for a gentle kick. Next up, salt, celery salt, and a dash of garlic powder. These bring out the best in every bite, making the flavors pop. You'll also need soft, pillowy hamburger buns, a bit of melted butter for brushing, and plenty of dill pickle slices for that classic crunch. And of course, peanut oil for frying. Nothing beats it for that crispy golden finish. No fancy gadgets needed here, just good, simple ingredients and a bit of kitchen know-how. Gromit's checked the list twice, making sure we haven't missed a thing. Preparation is half the battle after all. It's all about starting with the right stuff. Fresh, quality ingredients make all the difference in the end result. The pickle juice is a bit of unexpected genius, trust me. It's the secret behind that signature flavor and tenderness. The flour party is where the crunch begins. Each piece gets a perfect, even coating ready for the fryer. Buns and pickles are the finishing touch, bringing everything together in one delicious bite. With everything in place, we're ready to roll. On to the fun part. Time for hands-on magic. This is where the transformation begins, and every step counts. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the delicious details. Start by flattening your chicken breasts to about 1/2 inch thick. Gromit's using a book, of course. But you can use a rolling pin, or even a heavy pan. This helps the chicken cook evenly and stay juicy. Next, mix together milk and pickle juice in a bowl. This tangy, creamy marinade is the secret to tender, flavorful chicken. Place the chicken in the bowl, making sure it's fully submerged, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the fridge, longer if you have the time. This step makes the chicken unbelievably juicy, infusing it with flavor and ensuring every bite is moist and delicious. While the chicken soaks up all that goodness, prepare your coating. In a shallow dish, combine flour, powdered sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, and any other spices you love. Think garlic powder, onion powder, or even a pinch of cayenne for heat. Mix everything together thoroughly. This is your crispy coating, the key to that irresistible crunch. Remove each piece of chicken from the marinade, letting the excess drip off. Dredge it in the flour mixture, making sure every surface is covered. Press the chicken firmly into the coating so every nook and cranny is packed with flavor and crunch. For an extra crispy crust, double dip the chicken, back into the marinade, then into the flour mixture again. This double layer is what gives you that signature crunch. Once coated, set the chicken pieces on a wire rack. This keeps the coating crisp and lets any excess flour fall away while you finish prepping. The kitchen might look a bit chaotic, but that's all part of the fun. Embrace the mess. Great food is worth it. You can already see the promise of a golden, crunchy coating. The anticipation is building. Gromit gives an approving nod. He knows we're on the right track. With everything prepped and coated, we're ready to move on to the next delicious step. Every hero needs a sidekick. Ours is a golden, tangy sauce. The real recipe's a secret, but we've cracked a close version. Start with half a cup of mayonnaise, add 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, and a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Stir in a tablespoon of honey for sweetness. Finish with a pinch of paprika and garlic powder. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust. Smashing, isn't it? Let it sit for a few minutes so the flavors mingle. It's tangy, sweet, smoky, and creamy, all in one. Our sauce is ready for action. Onward to assembly. The moment of truth. Heat peanut oil in a heavy pot to 165 degrees Celsius, 325 degrees Celsius. Carefully fry the breaded chicken for 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Let it rest on a wire rack to keep it crunchy. Meanwhile, split your buns and brush with melted butter. Toast them in a pan until golden. Now, assemble bottom bun, 2 dill pickle slices, crispy chicken fillet. Slather the top bun with our secret sauce. Place it on top, give a gentle press, and admire your masterpiece. The aroma is irresistible. Victory smells delicious. Gromit's tail is wagging in approval. You've made a homemade classic. Time to dig in. A sandwich this good deserves a celebration. Gromit and I are having a living room picnic, checkered blanket and all. Serve your sandwich with hot crispy chips or fries, and maybe a simple salad for freshness. A tall glass of lemonade or fizzy pop is perfect to wash it down. For a festive touch, try sweet tea or chilled water with lemon. Present your sandwiches with pride. Wrap in parchment for that takeaway feel. Arrange everything on a big platter and let everyone help themselves. The joy of sharing makes it all the more special. We did it, Gromit, a top-notch chicken sandwich made from scratch. With a bit of enthusiasm and simple ingredients, you can recreate any famous dish at home. The process is part of the fun. Get the whole family involved. Don't worry about perfection. It's about making memories and delicious food. Now it's your turn. Gather your bits and bobs and give it a whirl. Cheerio and happy sandwich making. Don't forget the cheese, Gromit. Oh wait, wrong sandwich.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.